I'm here with Maddy Buckley, new head women's soccer coach at Macalester. How you doing, Maddy?
Good, happy to be here.
Great to have you here at Mac. And why don't you just give us an idea of your background and kind of who you are and how you kind of found soccer and also became a soccer coach.
Yeah, I grew up in Delaware and went to play collegiate soccer at Hobart and William Smith for Hall of Fame coach Alison Wilbur, and went as a player and left as a national champion with my team and had a transformational experience as a collegiate soccer player. And Alison is someone who's become a mentor to me and really led me to my coaching career and got me started and helped me find my way as an assistant coach. And then throughout my career so far, she's helped me kind of figure out what's important to me, where I want to be, and really get me to the point where I am as the head coach now at Macalester.
Great, and I guess we'll just start there. This is your first head coaching position and you're here at Macalester. It's a special position for you, obviously, as this is your first one, and tell us how you came to choose Macalester.
Well, Macalester women's soccer has a rich history, as we know, and that was appealing to me to help bring the history back and make it the present. And I felt like what Donnie Brooks's vision is as an athletic director at Macalester and Dr. Rivera as the president of our college, their values aligned with what I want in a college experience for our student athletes. And I felt like the resources we have, the support we're given, and the vision to compete and develop our student athletes was something that attracted me to move out to Minnesota and work alongside of some phenomenal members of the athletic department and also within Macalester as a community. And this place I talk to recruits and our current team about is it's a place where you feel like you're part of something bigger than yourself. And when I first stepped on campus for my interview, that's the gut feeling I had of this is a place where I want to be. And it's a community that I can see myself growing in and learning from and feeling support, especially as a new head coach, as I start this part of my career and feeling like I am supported every step of the way by my peers and by the college.
Great. Whenever we have a job opening here, a head coaching position, I'm always intrigued by the candidates who have a high level of playing experience. And I'm not really sure how that relates, but obviously you were an All-American individually. You also helped your team win a national championship as a senior. You scored a goal in the championship game. All these things, of course, we'd love to have happen here, but now you're not on the field, you're coaching. So how, I guess, what can you take from your playing experience, from playing at such a high level and having success as a player? How do you take that experience and bring it to the coaching side of the field?
Well, it all started with the development I had as a player under the coaching staff at William Smith, and that's the experience I want to give to our student athletes to be able to get us to that level of success over success over success. A good period of time is to help develop our student athletes. So from the moment we speak with a recruit on the phone to the moment they have their last soccer game, we want it to be an experience where they are growing, learning, making mistakes, being vulnerable, showing up, and really trusting the process. And my college coaches gave me that experience as a player to be in a culture that was strong in accountability and discipline. And in order to get to that national championship level, there's a lot that goes into it, and everyone wants to win, but everyone has to have the willingness to prepare. And that's something that I learned as a player at a high level in Division III of we really want to win. And here at Mac, we really want to win, but we have to show our student athletes what that takes to win, and it's every single step of the way. And doing the little things right and making things better every single day. That's something I learned in my collegiate experience, was the growth mindset and the willingness to push myself out of my comfort zone. And my college coach did for me one of the greatest things is to have very high expectations of me, and knowing that I can meet and exceed them. And that's something that's stuck with me in my coaching. Is we have high expectations as a staff of our Macalester student athletes, and we're going to keep raising the bar, but we're going to celebrate them along the way, and make sure we take the necessary steps to prepare to win, to prepare to get us to the point where we can be a championship culture.
I know this is your first head coaching position, but how would you say a Maddy Buckley coach team would look on the field? How do you envision your team looking? And then along with that, kind of giving us that vision, but also you had an opportunity to coach the team this year, to coach Macalester during the spring season. No games, but certainly a lot of practices and drills and some small-sided games and scrimmages and things. Certainly an opportunity to see the type of players that we have, and how does the team as it looks today fit with kind of the vision that you have for the type of team that you want to coach?
A team that is coached by our coaching staff, with our 3 assistants and myself, is a team that doesn't worry about the what ifs, but just goes for it. And is attack-minded, defensively sound, and we want to keep it where our players are thinking about, how are we going to find a way to win this game? And one game at a time, how are we going to put the ball in the back of their net, and how are we going to keep the ball out of the back of our net? And that's something we talked a lot about this spring, is don't get too caught down in the details of the tactics, the technical aspect. It's all about your willingness to put your body on the line, to keep the ball out of our net, and your willingness to make it happen, to put the ball in the back of their net and win the game. So it's exciting, it's energetic, it's going for it, taking risks, making mistakes. We're a culture that is courageous in how we approach the game, and also courageous in how we approach everything within our program, whether it be the way we show up in our community service, the way we show up in our diversity, equity, inclusion, and the way we show up in the classroom and beyond, is being courageous and doing it together and believing that we have something to offer and we can achieve great things, one step at a time, and it's our jobs as coaches and mine specifically to make sure that they have what they need to be set up for success, and that they also have that belief and that energy and passion for the love of the game that needs to continue throughout their 4 years. And because they're a Division III student athlete, this is generally their last 4 years of playing at a high soccer level, and we want that love of the game to continue from when they show up their first year to when they're leaving their senior year. And ultimately the experience that would be the pinnacle of success is winning a championship and watching our team, watching our players run onto the field, winning a championship and jumping into their teammates' arms. That's the experience I had as a player, and the experience I want to really give to our student athletes here at Mac.
Great. Well, we're certainly looking forward to seeing you and the Scots play. Matt, this is Coach Maddy Buckley. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited for the fall.
The first game of the season starts on September 1st right here at Macalester Stadium against Northland College. We'll see you there.
Let's go.